Alright, so let's re-listen to the build-up again. Alright, let's do some, adding some vocals here. In the pack we recorded some vocoder vocals. Let me show you some. Probably another one from our track Deny It on Rave Culture.
Get your hands for the big boom sound. Coronavirus, we gonna crash your party.
I think it could be cool to drag in some of these into the build-up.
We gonna crash your party. Get your hands for the big. Raise those hands high. Raise those hands. We about to turn it up. Get your hands for the big boom sound.
Maybe let's try out this one here. I will show you in a moment how I did this vocal. It's pretty easy. Let's also try to pitch it here. Just drag it in a bit here. Let's try if that works. And just go straight with the last bars here. Let's read this. Let's also cut it out at the end of the near to the drop. Also automate the volume here again. You see that's already pretty detailed working here. Let's also put a reverb in there. Maybe we also convert it here in the bridge. Okay, no, that's not what I want. Alright, we are pretty much close to finishing the build-up. I will just explain now how I did the vocal. We used here a lot.
Feel that beat of that big boom sound.
how I did that, I will explain now. Okay, I just brought my microphone here. I'm gonna use a new channel strip. Gonna input my microphone here, test 1, 2. What I did then is including a silent to putting on my MIDI trigger. This is my vocoder MIDI trigger. It's just a basic init sound from silent. I'm gonna use this one on channel 28. Alright, I put my microphone into channel 28. The MIDI trigger is on channel 29. So I'm just gonna reroute it to channel 30, also with the MIDI trigger. And now I'm gonna open my channel strip, my vocoder voice channel strip. I wanna show you what I did here. It's just a basic vocoder standard plugin from FL Studio, which is pretty cool to work with. Just some basic EQing for the vocal, not too much lows. Also here, cut out some lows. Boosted some highs and some mids because the vocal is more present. You have also, if you look at the spectrum from a vocal, more mid frequencies are present there. Some OTT to boost it and give it some compression, which also is nice on vocals. I love to use the OTT on the vocals. And now I'm gonna show you how I did the vocal.
You can already hear my robot voices here.
So if I'm gonna now push a key on the MIDI keyboard, the vocoder voice or the robotic voice will follow the notes which I'm playing.
So if I'm gonna use my voice for this tutorial, you can always hear which key I'm pressing right now.
It's pretty cool, and you can really work a lot with that.
Get your hands for the big boom sound.
It's also how I created these vocals in this pack. It's also pretty easy to recreate. You don't really need a cool voice for that because the vocoder is doing all the job for this. You can also play around with the settings of the vocoder. If you gonna enhance it, you have more freedom of you're just adjusting your sound. But for me now, these settings really work. So this is how the vocal is basically done, and yeah, I'm gonna put my mic back now. Let's gonna continue on with the build-up. Alright, it sounds pretty good so far for a few minutes. Let's go with the drop.